Students, this is the last topic in the mollusca. Already you have studied the protozoa, porifera, platyhelminthes, nematohelminthes, annelida, arthropoda, so and echinodermata also studied. So now it is an important topic for the examination point of view. It is belongs to the topic is belongs to the mollusca. So already mollusca, phyla, general studies, general character already we have studied. So in this, the important for the examination point of view, so that is the pearl formation. What formation? Pearl formation. In Telugu, so pearl formation means mutyalu tayaru chedamu. It means pearl formation is the very important. Generally, the pearls are using for the ornament purpose. So for the in ancestor, since some 100 years ago onwards, the pearls are using for the ornament purpose in jewelries. So where it is also useful in jewelries industry also. So pearls are very important, very shinish, bright white color ornaments. So these are formed from the mollusca. Pearls are formed from molluscan. What is pearls? Pearls are animal production. It is not an artificial made production. It is animal production. Especially the animals can able to produce. Which animals? Molluscan animals can able to produce the pearls. So that's why they are called as animal production. So they are very whitish, white color, shinish, bright white shine color gems are called as pearls. So already you know, now we have observed this figure. The topic is the pearl formation. So now you know already this is the how they are coming. You know already this is the general pearl formation structure diagram. The first diagram, second diagram, third diagram. So what is pearls? You know already you know in the molluscan animal body. So made by basically two important layers are there. That the first is the calcium carbonate shell. Below the calcium carbonate shell, what is there? Mantle is there. In between these two, mantle cavity is present. It is an important topic. So, molluscan animal body is very smooth animal body. Already knows where the smooth animal body is there. That smooth or important or essential part is must and should covered by the hard sheath. You know, brain is there. So, brain is covered by the skull. So, spinal cord is there. It is also covered by vertebral column. So, like that similar fashion, the smooth body of molluscan animal body is also covered by shell. It is made by the calcium carbonate. Below the shell, mantle is there, very whitish shade layer is called as mantle. Through this mantle layer only, pearl formation is takes place. So when the any foreign particles, it is very simple phenomena. If there any foreign particle, now you observe, so this is this figure, this is the shell. So this is the mantle. In between this is what is the mantle cavity is present. So when the any foreign particles are living, whatever it may be, sand particles or any parasite, any foreign particles if enter into the mantle cavity, so what is there in the shell? It is called as mantle. So in between this what is the mantle cavity is present. In between these two layers, the cavity is there. In this cavity, unexpectedly or expectedly, any foreign particles, it means generally it is present the aquatic animal. Sandy particles also possible to enter into this cavity, or parasites also try to enter into this cavity. So any foreign particles or any sandy particles if enter into the mantle cavity, so through this mantle, this is a foreign particle. So now before that listen here, shell is made by the three important layers: outer layer, inner layer, middle layer. It is also discussed at the time of general characters and animal body, general information, morphological structure in the text. I have already discussed with you. Shell is the outer layer of the molluscan animal body. It is made by calcium carbonate. The cell is made by three important layers. They are outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. Already you know. Cell is made by three layers. They are called as outer, middle, inner. So the outer layer is called as periosteum. Already discussed. Periosteum means outer layer of the cell is called as periosteum. Middle layer of the cell is called as osteum. The periosteum is made by the concholine substance. The outer layer is made by concholine substance. The middle layer is also called as osteum. It is made by calcium carbonate. So inner layer is called as nacreous layer or pulp layer, pulp formation layer. So it is very important. Now observe this figure. So it is made by the calcium carbonate component substance. Outer layer is purely made by component substance. Middle layer ostracomer is made by purely calcium carbonate substance. But inner layer is called as an nacreous layer. There is a pulp mother layer. So it is also made by two substances are there. What is there? Outer layer containing periosteum containing components there. In addition to the component, so ostracomer middle layer is called as ostracomer. Ostracomer is made by calcium carbonate. So that's why calcium carbonate substance plus component both are present in the inner layer of the shell. So that's why inner layer of cell is the main important role playing the pulp formation. What shell? The shell inner layer. Shell inner layer is called as nacreous layer. It is also main important major role playing the formation of pulp formation. Now observe. So generally already knows shell generally made by three layers. Already knows outer layer, middle layer, inner layer. Outer layer is called as periosteum. Middle layer is called as ostracomer. Inner layer is called as nacreous layer. Outer layer is made by component substance. Inner layer, middle layer is made by calcium carbonate. Inner layer is made by component plus calcium carbonate. So this inner layer is also called as other name nacreous layer is also called as pulp mother layer. So now this is the general structure about the shell. So now listen here. Now observe what is this shell? It is a mantle cavity. It is a mantle layer. So in between the mantle cavity is present. So when the foreign particles expectedly or unexpectedly any foreign particles if enter into the mantle cavity, this is the foreign particle or any other sand particle or any other parasite, when they unexpectedly enter into the in between these two layers, so animal can get irritation is takes place. What is takes place? Irritation. Through the irritation, so what around the foreign particles, now observe the second, around the foreign particles. What happened here? What is the layer? Nacreous layer enabled to shield the shiny substance. Continuously shiny substance secreting. So now observe here. Continuously around the shiny substance secretion, numerous concentration layers are formed. Uncountable layers are formed. Inside foreign particles, around the foreign particles, nacreous layers secreting very shiny, bright, white substance able to secreted by the nacreous layer. So that's why around the foreign particle numerous concentrated layers are formed. So then what happens? Pulp formation is takes place. This is the column. So you know numerous uncountable layers are there. They are called as shinish, whitish, bright color, white color. Around the foreign particles layers are formed. Around the sand particles or foreign particle, around the foreign particle, the shiny substance concentrated in numerous layers are formed. Through this what happens? Finally, pulp formation is takes place. These are eliminated from this mantle cavity, sent to the market. Generally, especially these pearls are formed from the animal production, especially in the mollusca animal. So, especially in the mollusca animal, also not all animals cannot produce the pearl. Especially bivalve animals only. Two shell containing animals are discussed as the bivalve. The bivalve animals only can able to produce the pearls. Especially bivalve animals. Naturally bivalve animals, especially Pelecypoda, oysters can able to generally produce the pearl. So genus Penctata. Penctata vulgaris is the pearl oyster. Is the name of the animal. Penctata vulgaris is the name of the animal. This animal is also called as pearl oyster. Through the oysters, what happens? The natural pearls can able to formation this takes place. The pearl formation is very important for examination. How they are forming very easily. So you know outer layer shell, in a mantle body, in between the body, any foreign particles enter, irritation is taken through the irritation. What happens? Around the foreign particle, numerous shiny substance secreting around the foreign particle. Through the secretion, what happens? A stalk-like structure is formed. Finally, the stalk inside foreign particle is around the shiny substance is covering those are covering what are pulp formations or textile. This after formation of pulp, they are separate from the animal body. So like that, pulp formation is textile, especially in mollusca. So before that, shell already you know, 3 layers, periosteum, ostracum, nuclear layers. Nuclear layer is called as pulp mother cell. Through this layer only, numerous uncountable secretions of takes place around the foreign particles or sandy particle, then pulp formation is going on. So that's why pulp formation is also very economical important. Generally these are useful in the jewelries, for the decoration, for the ornament purpose, for the gift purpose. So some 1000 years ago onwards, these are generally used for the decoration purpose. Pulps are very shiny, white color, bright substance. So they are animal production, especially Japanese. Generally compared to in India, Japanese are the more productionist expert. That's why Japan is called as motherland of pearls. Who is the motherland? Japan is the motherland of pearls industry. So then after in our India, in Tamil Nadu state also pearl formation is also pearl industries are there. But when we are compared to the foreigners, Japan's are main productionist textile. So in India is then followed by the India. So like that, these animal production can able to economical important for the human beings, but they are using in ornamental purpose, for the decoration purpose. Generally these are using. Pulp formation is very simple. Foreign particle enter into the animal body. How they are entering? In between the foreign particle shell entering around the foreign particle through the secretion mantle, numerous concentric layers are formed. Finally a soft-like structure is formed inside foreign particle. Around the shiny substance is there. Through this pulp formation is textile. Especially in mollusca animals only can able to produce the pulps. So thank you. It is very important for examination point of view.